A voyage around the moon must be made in two phases. A rocket ship taking off from the Earth's surface will use almost all the fuel it can carry just to attain a speed great enough to balance the pull of gravity. This advanced base, or space station, will be headquarters for the final ascent to the moon. Our space satellite will have the shape of a wheel, measuring 200 feet across. Its outside rim will contain living and working quarters for a crew of 50 men. The resulting centrifugal force will produce an artificial gravity for the men in the rim. Notice that the floors are placed so that the men stand with their heads toward the hub. For the difficult job of reassembling the structure, we have provided a new type of spacesuit. Using gyros and two small rocket motors, the operator can tilt and move in any direction. Located outside will be 7 remotely controlled mechanical arms. Of the arms for the variety of tasks in assembling the space station. In the guide ship, the navigator locks his tracking radar on the rising cargo rocket. At about 24 miles altitude, the first stage breaks away and the second stage motors fire. 2 minutes later, the cargo head blasts away from the second stage and continues firing until its speed reaches 18,468 miles per hour. Automatically, the motor cuts off. Construction of the space wheel now begins. The sides of the cargo nose are mechanically separated. Built-in tanks of compressed air inflate this large plastic inner section of the hub. Thin metal plates are immediately clamped on the outside to protect it from meteors. Even though there's no apparent motion, everything in the orbit is hurtling around the Earth at 16,000 miles per hour.